Base sa testimonya mo, Ginoong Ortonio, wala kang alam sa paggastos, pag-liquidate, pag-disburse ng confidential fund. Tama?
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor.
Sabi ni Gina Acosta, wala rin siyang alam. Tama? Alam mo ba yan? Na wala rin siyang alam sa paggastos ng confidential fund at kung paano ito niliquidate. Would you know that?
Based on what I have read
Na
in
testimonya
news,
niya?
sir. Yes, sir.
Base sa pagkakaalam mo, alam ba ng Vice President kung paano ito ginastos?
The way I understand it, sir, as the head of agency, I would understand that she knows the implementation, sir.
Yes. So si Colonel Lachica, alam din siyempre.
Yes, sir. As the security officer, I would
So
assume
sa
so.
loob ng opisina ng OVP, si VP Sara, as head of agency, lang ang nakakaalam. Ikaw bilang assistant chief of staff, yung chief of staff mismo, walang alam. At si Colonel Lachica, na ayon sa katanungan ni Senator Judge Soto kanina lang, na hindi naman bahagi ng opisina ng OVP.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.